Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome, and I hope you consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to click on the bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. And if you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. So today I'm going to share with you how I made 2 DIY centerpieces using Dollar Tree supplies. What we're going to do first is grab some of these lanterns, and typically at Dollar Tree you can find these in the party section, just different colors depending on the holiday or season that you decide to go pick them up. Then you're just going to go ahead and put them together, which is very simple. All you're going to do is just pop the wiring hook that goes in the center of each one of these lanterns in the middle, and then just pull up the lantern. Just be careful because these are paper lanterns and you don't want to rip them. So once you're done doing that to both of them, you're going to go ahead and you're going to find the bottom part is going to have like a little hook, and I'm going to share with you how that looks in just a minute. And you're just going to go ahead and bend those so you can glue them onto what we're going to do as stands. So this is a hook that I'm talking to you about, and you're just going to go ahead and kind of bend those to make it leveled or flush, so you can have somewhere to glue your stand on. Unless you're going to hang these. If you're going to hang them, you can just leave it like that and then continue with the process of the DIY. They're very easy to do. You just kind of bend them. Then you're just going to go ahead and grab any kind of florals. I found these actually right now during the holiday of Halloween. They had them there, so just go ahead and grab any kind of greenery or florals that you want to add to your lantern. And then you're going to be very careful. You're going to kind of figure out where you want to place your arrangement on your lantern, and bend and adjust that stem, and then you're just going to hot glue it onto your lantern. Now I hot glued it in different sections, that way I could hold on to each one of the parts of the stem in order for it to, the glue to have time to dry and it will stay in place. I decided to go ahead and add 2 stems to each one of my lanterns. I think these lantern centerpieces are perfect for any kind of party, a gathering, even just to have them on your bedroom end table, or even on a coffee table. They would look really pretty as well. So once I was done adding that, I went ahead and added a black rose. Again, it's right now for Halloween. They have roses that are black at Dollar Tree. So I went ahead and decided to add that onto the bottom so you won't see the glue of the stems. And I did this to both of the lanterns. So let me know in the comments below how you're going to be using these as a centerpiece, or even as something on your end tables, or even on your nightstands, because we are going to put some LED wire lights in here. I think this would be really cute, even in like a little girl's room or a teen room, that you can make them as nightstand lamps. It would be really adorable as well. So once you're done adding all your florals to your lantern, what you're going to do is you're going to get any kind of popsicle stick or something to glue to the bottom part of your lantern, just so you can have more surface to glue onto your candlesticks as nightstands. So just go ahead and add some hot glue, and then you're going to go ahead and get your candlestick, and you're going to place it onto the center, and you're just going to hold it for a few minutes just to let it dry, and there you have your adorable nightstand or centerpiece lantern. Now you can just leave them as is, and I'm going to share a picture of how they look with no lights on them. But like I said, I decided to go put some LED lights in there, and this is the way they look with the lights on. So for our next DIY, it's going to be a really cute, adorable, fairy type of centerpiece. You're going to go ahead and get some of these mini mushrooms, and I got these during Easter, but I did notice that they have some right now for fall as well. And I'm going to go ahead and paint them because these are from Easter again, so they're pink, and I wanted them to have more of the fall color. So you can paint them any color you want. And I'm just going to use a rustic green and a rustic orange color for this. And it doesn't take much, just one good coat of paint on each one of the mushrooms will be just perfectly fine. And they do dry pretty quickly. So once you're done painting the big ones, any color you want or any, and I painted the big ones green, as you can see right now. And I'm going to paint the smaller ones the rustic orange. But you, again, use your imagination and paint them any color you like. So once you're done painting all of them and they're all completely dry, what you're going to do is get your paintbrush, but you're going to use the top part or the handle part of the paintbrush just to make the little dots onto each one of your mushrooms. And you can add as many dots as you want. Again, it's up to you on the creativity and what you're going for. Once you're done adding all your dots, just set them aside and let them completely dry before you continue with your DIY. So while your mushrooms are drying, go ahead and grab your Tupperware and you're going to grab some floral foam and you're just going to cut a little piece of that foam in order for you to glue it into your Tupperware. Now these are like little light bulbs that I got from Dollar Tree, but they usually have some style or form of these in the garden section of the area of Dollar Tree. So just go ahead and glue your foam into your Tupperware. And then to cover up that foam, I'm just going to use some moss. Now I'm going to use these for fall, so I just wanted to keep it with more of a fall theme. After you put your moss into each one of them, you can start decorating and have fun with whatever you want to add in here. You can even put little lights like the LED lights. You can add a little candle in here, battery operated candle. There's just so many different options of doing and making these. But I found that these little pine cones and small miniature pumpkins at your Dollar Tree right now. So what I did was I just went ahead and grabbed some toothpicks and actually just poked each one of these little pumpkins in order for me to stick them into my foam. And then just have fun and decorate each one of these exactly the same or a little bit the same, the same theme. I didn't do mine identical, but I just kept the same theme of each one of these.
So, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158
So once you're done adding all of the little mushrooms and decorations, this is the way mine turned out. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, again, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.